Hello, today we will be talking more about how to log in your account on HeyReach. First, you need to sign up by clicking on this link here and then provide information such as full name, email address, password, and name of organization. After submitting that information, you go back to the login screen, enter your email address and password, and then sign in. After signing in to HeyReach, you select the Accounts feature on the left side, and then in the top right corner, you go link your accounts. Here, first you need to provide a country region where your LinkedIn account is located. We'll select United States and then provide the email address and password connected within your LinkedIn account. After providing that information, you click on the Add Account button. Right now, we wait, and then a confirmation code will appear on the right side. How to locate your PIN? You go to your email address connected within your LinkedIn account. You click on that email, which says, here's your verification code. You copy the verification code. You go back into HeyReach, paste it in the PIN section, and click Submit. After confirming it, your account will appear here with your full name, IP country, status, and the number of connection followers within your account.